Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Katie. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Blood Money palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I got it 2 or 3 days ago. I tried to do an eyeshadow tutorial using it yesterday night and I came across some issues, and I'm not really sure if it was just because I had dry skin or the packing and blending process I was doing, which I do with all of my eyeshadows. I was kind of baffled and kind of confused on why they weren't. It was ending up patchy. So this is the palette, and I originally wanted to do the Chameleon Fetish and Crocodile Tears, which is Chameleon Fetish, and then this one over here is Crocodile Tears. So at first I laid down this shadow right here, and then I went with that shade to deepen it up, and for some reason in the outer portion right here and right here on both sides, no matter how much I was applying the pigment or eyeshadow, it was disappearing. Like, I wish I saved the video footage of it because it was baffling. I even tried like taking it all off, applying a primer, and doing the same techniques that I always do, and it was still ending up that way. So I don't know why it did that, because I've never had any issues with those eyeshadows before. So I don't know what happened here. So I'm going to try some different shades and maybe some different techniques and see how it goes. But before we do that, let's put on these eyebrows. Okay, so my eyebrows are on. I don't know what's going on with them. They're irritating the crap out of me. So I'm just gonna put the eyebrow wiz down and continue on. So I got the Louise base and Rumour 01. And this is what it looks like, and I'm going to use that as an eyeshadow base before I apply the eyeshadow. Okay, so eyelids are primed. Let's zoom in here. So I am going to be a little ballsy, and I'm going to go into Crocodile Tears, which is this dark hunter brown right there. And we're just going to pack that into the crease with a fluffy shader brush. I'm going to use this one right here. This is a Morphe and Jaclyn Hill GH35 brush. And I'm just going to pack it on and then blend it out slightly. Okay, that's looking a lot better than whenever I tried to do the chameleon fetish with the crocodile tears. It might be the chameleon fetish that was causing the issue. I'm not 100% sure. I'd have to test it out a little bit more. Okay, let's try the shade Jaded, which is this darker hunter green. Basically looks like a jade type of shade there. And we're going to put that in our outer crease and slightly blend into our crease. And I'm going to use the Sigma Blending E36 and start packing it on and blending it in. Alright, so I'm going to cut the crease and I'm going to stop about right here on both sides, and I'm going to use that P. Louise base in Rumour 01, and the brush I'm going to use is this Morphe little tiny detailed packing or shading brush. Okay, so I'm going to use this Morphe flat shading brush here, and I'm going to use the shade Poison Ivy on top of that cut crease I just created. And I'm going to moisten this a little bit so that it's more sticky and metallic. State, and I'm gonna put it in between that lime green shade and then the darker shade, that jade shade. Use my finger. Okay, so I'm gonna clean up underneath my eye because there's some fallout. Alright, so I'm gonna go off camera and do the rest of my face, and I'll come back and finish up the eyes. Okay, so the rest of the face is done. I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna go in with Heavyweight, which is this teal green color. Just that one right there. And I'm gonna blow that out under in my lower lash line area using this Morphe 18. Alright, I'm going to take this Alamar flat eyeliner brush here, and I'm going to use that jaded shade that I used on the outer corner in my crease area to deepen it up. I'm going to take the KVD tattoo liner in Trooper Black to give me a winged eyeliner. I'm going to take Urban Decay Perversion black liner to my upper lash line. Alright, I'm going to use this little smudge sponge blending brush. Okay, let's do mascara. I'm going to use this Wander Beauty Mile High Club because I'm going to be putting fake lashes on. So I'm going to use the Pure and RawBeautyKristi collaboration eyelashes in Can't Be Bothered. And this is what they look like. Okay, I am going to use Charlotte Tilbury's Lip Cheat in the shade Love Trap. I need to sharpen it, of course. And I'll line my lips. Alright, I'm going to use this Morphe. I don't know what the shade is. Yeah, I don't know what the shade is. Alright. I'm going to use Divine Intervention right here to highlight my inner corner, and then we should be done. I'm going to use this Morphe little tiny detailing brush here and pop that in my inner corner. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really like that green shade, that what is it called, Poison Ivy. That is a pretty shade. I don't know why that Chameleon Fetish and the crocodile tears did not work when I tried it the first time. I don't know if it's a pigment or what's going on here. But it did not want to be blended with crocodile tears for some reason. Other than that, love it. I think probably my next tutorial, I'll probably do these like army green browns. Those are delicious. Okay, so I got some exciting news here. Yes, I do. I bought 2 of these. This is the other one. I haven't opened it. It's going to be a giveaway on my Instagram. I haven't decided when I'm going to start the giveaway, but I want to get it to whoever before Christmas. So it's kind of like a Christmas giveaway, a Christmas present giveaway. So yeah, be on the lookout for that on my Instagram. And I think that is it. So if you guys liked this tutorial, give me a like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.